the median function is used to calculate the median of the given data. So I'm importing the module as st. St is our alias now, so we need to use only st now, not statistics, not the complete word. So let me find the median using using statistics dot median, and within that I'll add the data. Okay, right click, run, and here is the median of our data. Let me see another example. Right click and run, and herein you can see we have the median value. In this way you can work around the median function to find the median.